Switching from T-Mobile to Mint Mobile is straightforward due to their shared network. First, order a Mint Mobile SIM or activate an eSIM if your phone supports it, which most modern phones do. The big benefit here is cost savings, with plans starting at $15 a month. To make the jump, begin the number porting process. You will need your T-Mobile account number, PIN, and IMEI to start. Then, submit a port request via the Mint Mobile app or website. This transfer process usually takes 1 to 2 hours, but can take up to 48. Make sure your T-Mobile account is active and paid up to avoid delays. Mint Mobile has significantly expanded its eSIM support recently, making activation even easier. Just scan the QR code from Mint Mobile's app and confirm the port-in. For data to work correctly, your phone needs the right APN settings. Mint Mobile's APN is wholesale. Usually, this is set automatically, but if not, manually enter wholesale as the APN. Correct APN settings ensures access to mobile data, MMS, and internet access. Also, remember that Mint Mobile is aiming for full eSIM exclusivity in the near future.